Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a game changer in the world of personal grooming. The Philips Beauty Epilator Series 8000 for women, BRE 700/04. This is hands down the best epilator for hair removal, cordless, rechargeable, and designed specifically for women who want silky smooth skin, effortlessly. Let's start with what makes this epilator stand out. The Series 8000 from Philips is designed with performance and comfort in mind. It features a unique micro-ridged ceramic disc system, which is more effective at grabbing even the finest hairs, down to just 0.5 millimeters. That's shorter than what waxing can typically handle, meaning you don't need to wait days or weeks for visible hair to grow before your next session. The usage angle is also worth highlighting. The design naturally aligns with the contours of your body, making it incredibly intuitive to use. Whether you're epilating your legs, underarms, or more delicate areas, this device ensures consistent, even contact with the skin, resulting in better hair removal and less discomfort. Now, let's talk about versatility. This model is fully waterproof, so you can use it dry, or take it in the shower for a more soothing experience. The warm water actually helps open up your pores, making the process less painful and more effective. And since it's cordless and rechargeable, you can get up to 40 minutes of use on a single charge. Perfect for a full session without interruptions. Included in the box are 3 essential accessories: a delicate area cap, an optimal contact cap, and a soft drawstring pouch to keep everything organized. The delicate area cap is ideal for places like the bikini line or underarms where the skin is more sensitive. The optimal contact cap helps guide the epilator smoothly along the skin, reducing the sensation of pulling and improving comfort. One thoughtful touch is the built-in light, a small feature that makes a big difference. It helps you spot any tiny hairs you might have missed, so you won't end your session only to find patches left behind later. It's a smart inclusion that shows Philips has really considered the details. Another major benefit is the ceramic discs. Unlike traditional metal tweezers, these ceramic ones are hypoallergenic and better at gripping the hair firmly without snapping it. That means fewer passes and less irritation for your skin. Let's not forget the aesthetics. The device has a sleek, modern look with a comfortable grip, and the overall build feels premium and well-balanced. It's a product that fits beautifully into any self-care routine and looks great on your bathroom shelf. To wrap it all up, the Philips Beauty Epilator Series 8000 BRE 700/04 is everything you'd want in a modern epilator. Efficient, gentle, rechargeable, waterproof, and packed with thoughtful features. Whether you're new to epilation or looking for an upgrade, this device delivers salon-smooth results from the comfort of home. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews. And let us know in the comments which product you want us to break down next. See you next time.